So it says finding a remainder in JavaScript. The remainder operator percentage sign gives the remainder of the division of two numbers. Oh, that's what it means. Okay. They usually call it module or something like that. That's what I've seen. But it's remainder operator, so that's what that means. I don't know why I've seen it so many times and they haven't said it's called remainder operator. They've called it like modular or something like that. Very confusing, but that's all it means. The remainder operator. So it gives you the remainder of two numbers that's been divided. So the example there says 5% assigned 2 equals 1 because math.floor 5 divided by 2 equals 2, which is the quotient. 2 times 2 equals 4. 5 minus 4 is 1, and 1 is the remainder. Okay, let me get around that again. 5 remainder operator 2, percent assigned 2 equals 1 because. Oh, and then it broke it down. Right. 2 times 2 equals 4. Yeah, okay. So the remainder of that, yeah. Usage. In mathematics, a number can be checked to be even or odd by checking the remainder of the division of the number by 2. By checking the remainder of the division of the number by 2. 17 remainder operator 2 equals 1. 17 is an odd number. 48 remainder operator 2 equals 0. 48 is an even number. Note, the remainder operator is sometimes incorrectly referred to as a modulus operator. That's exactly what I was talking about earlier. It is very similar to the modulus, but does not work properly with negative numbers. Okay, so they're two different things. I need to go and look up what this is then. Why would... I'm confused. Okay, it says set the remainder equal to the remainder of 11 divided by 3 using the remainder operator. Why would I think W3 schools is where I saw it, you know. Where I need to go back and look, but I don't know which one it was that told me that it wasn't explaining it properly anyway. So it says set the remainder to 11 divided by space 3. Yep. What equal sign, didn't I? Yep. So let's run this. There we go. Yeah, so this is something definitely, this is a good, see, this is what I like about this, you know, because free code camp, like, actually broke that down to make me understand it, because I learned it somewhere else, and that confused me, but this actually makes it so much clearer. Okay, 15%, let's keep going.